Start. Sir, the entire discussion has been initiated by the finance minister. Full stop. He feels somewhat optimistic about the economic situation. Full stop. I confess that this is the one point on which I must disagree. Full stop. The situation today is something that causes much concern. Full stop. There is rising unemployment. Full stop. The prices are also rising. Full stop. Finance minister feels that there is justification for viewing the situation hopefully because he thinks that the infrastructure are performing very well. Full stop. I do not understand on what basis he has come to this conclusion. Full stop. He says that the power generation is more satisfactory than last year. Full stop. But should be satisfied with power generation of 51% question mark. Should the efficiency not be very much greater question mark? There is no reason why the power stations should not be operating more efficiently, and unless you insist upon it, you cannot obtain a requisite degree of improvement in efficiency. Full stop. But in any case, to be complacent and say that the infrastructure is performing well is very strange. Full stop. Next stanza. Similarly, in the case of coal, you put enormous sums of money in an industry which is also the next basic industry. Full stop. The results are unsatisfactory. Full stop. The production remains as unsatisfactory as ever while the costs are increasing. Full stop. When he says the price situation is under control, I do not know on what basis the price situation is said to be under control. Full stop. I am sorry that he places too much reliance upon statistics. Full stop. The interpretation of statistics is important and they are capable of being manipulated in any manner as one would like in order to produce conclusion that one desires. Statistics and undoubtedly necessary. Full stop. They have to be collected. Full stop. But we have to judge them, we have to interpret them very carefully. Full stop. I would say then when the finance minister forms the conclusion in regard to price situation, he should ask the housewives and see what they have to think about the price situation. Full stop. Inflation is really increasing, rising very seriously. Full stop. Every household is deeply disturbed. Full stop. In such a position to say that the price situation is under control is scarcely right. Full stop. What is still more unfortunate is the fact that so many decisions are being taken which must lead to further increase in prices. Full stop. The railway freight rates have been increased within a year and I do not know whether it is part of the next budget exercise that is being carried. Full stop and over.